we're going to talk about a hot topic. The game is changing, the rules are changing. Google is making a shift, and it's because the new internet is getting rolled out, and there are more opportunities to earn income from showing ads on your website's content. Now, we all know us website developers who produce original, unique, authentic content to keep a visitor browsing through our websites. And what Google robots do or have done in the past, you all know this, you either say approve privacy settings, it don't matter, or you adjust the settings to your liking. What they do is we'll say my website, myincomejob.com, has a visitor. Wow, that website got a visitor. What were they searching for this morning? How about yesterday? How about 2 days ago? What were they searching the search engines for? Let's place those type of ads in front of them now. No. This is where this is so big. This is huge. This is where years of developing new skills and putting together solid foundations to build on and have everything set up that I could just continue to expand and grow comes into play. Let me tell you, when a visitor visits my website now, I'm going to turn this on after this video. I have auto ads turned on. I turned them on about a month ago. I've seen a little boost in the revenue that I'm earning and from the ads on my websites. What they're going to do now, instead of worrying about what that visitor searched for earlier in the day, yesterday, 2 days ago, whatever the topic of my website's webpage is, they're going to show them ads related to the content of that page. That's big, and that's coming into play because the new web is getting rolled out. Decentralization. They can't trace people anymore. Soon that's not going to be allowed at all. They're not even going to ask permission because it's not going to be allowed. New browsers are coming out. Decentralized web is coming out. The Web 3 is coming out. The game has changed. The rules have changed. Look at this. You see this example here? Oh, I have a visitor. Oh, let me click on that ad. It looks all right. Oh, what's all this? All these related search terms? That's so engaging, isn't it? Oh, let me click on another one. Let me check that out. That's what that's about. Let me read this to you. Related search displays suggested search terms related to the content of your web pages. My visitor, I put together unique, original, informative content, and I got someone to stay on my webpage, and they're reading what I wrote. They appreciate the work. Well, wouldn't you want to show ads of what they're reading about now? The visitor is reading at the moment? Earlier search inquiry could have been about a completely different topic. I want them to stay, and I want them to browse, and I want them to be engaged, and I want them to click, and I want them to click around and see, wow, that matches the content that I'm reading now. Not what I was interested in 2 days ago. So they're changing the rules. They're changing how they can keep their business model, because with the decentralized web rolling out, a company like Google AdSense would lose their stream of income because companies aren't going to pay them. You know, you can't, privacy comes into play. They're not going to be able, the robots aren't going to be able to follow a visitor you attracted their earlier search activities. That's going to be against the rules. It's going to be against, it's going to be like a law. You can't do that anymore. The ads must match the content that your visitor is interested now. It's got to match the content of the web page. They can't soon the robots following your activity, that's going to be a thing of the past. And it's because the new web is rolling out, and that's decentralization. I'm going to keep it short. I hope you got my point. I'll show you this example one more time. That's a beautiful example. Okay, I have a visitor at my webpage. Oh, I see that there. Let me click that. Yeah, a little bit engaged. Oh, what's this? Oh, let me browse these search terms. It's more engaging. It will increase the odds of someone clicking on an ad. And that's why I build my websites. I produce quality, the best quality work I can produce, unique, original content, and I'm a lead generator. And that's how I've been building my business for years. I'm a great lead generator. I get people's interest. And now they're browsing. I want them to browse. I want them to be more engaged easily. So I'll be turning this on right now. You must have auto ads on for this to work properly. So I'll let you know if I see another increase in my Google AdSense revenue on my websites, because when I turned on auto ads, I saw a little increase, earning a little money, more money every day. But I would rather be ahead of what's coming. It won't turn on. The turn on related search buttons are not active yet. They're rolling this out. You must, just like an early investor, you want to be ahead. You want to be ready, have everything set up. So when the time comes, you gain financially from it. It won't go. Look, I'll show you. I'm clicking it. It just won't do it. And I've tried so many different ways. Here, I'll click on this related search. That gives the definition of what I just discussed. Related search for auto ads let you show your users search terms that are related to the content of the page they are viewing. When users click a related search term, they're taken to a Google-powered search experience that shows ads and site search results. Turning on related search for auto ads can encourage your users to explore relevant topics on your site and engage with AdSense for search ads.